Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Wsdcam 113dB Bike Alarm Wireless Vibration Motion Sensor Waterproof Motorcycle Alarm. Suitable for bikes, electric bike, motorcycles, scooter, etc. Vibration alarm, 7 levels sensitivity adjustable, 3 levels volume adjustable, IP55 waterproof. Wireless control by remote, strong wireless range up to 66 feet. Number 2. Wireless bike alarm with remote. Motion sensor bike alarm has great bike anti-theft function. Vibration trigger alarm is very suitable for bicycle, motorcycle, electric bike, electric scooter, and so on. You can also install a vibration alarm for your door or window, which will trigger the alarm when someone tries to open it. Number 3. Wsdcam USB Rechargeable Bike Alarm with Remote. The bicycle alarm is powered by a built-in rechargeable 4.2V 700 mAh lithium battery, which can be charged by your DC 5V power adapter and the package included USB-C charging cable. So no need replace the battery and save money. Number 4. Wsdcam Anti-Theft Bike Alarm with Mount. This bike alarm come with mounting bracket, adjustable ring size, more stably securely mount on your bike, no drop probability, and easy to change the installation position. Deterring thieves effectively up to 113 dB loud alarm, 3 lever adjustable volume. Don't worry about the alarm is extremely loud or not loud. Number 5. 113 dB Bike Alarm, Wireless Vibration Motion Sensor Waterproof Motorcycle Alarm. Can effectively prevent theft of bicycles. Vibrationally triggered alarm suitable for bicycle, motorcycle, electric bike, electric scooter, and so on. 7-level adjustable sensitivity from gently touch to push or beat. You can easily set it according to your need. Wireless remote control operation, easy to use. Remote control range up to 20 m/66 ft.